Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we will talk about programming basics and syntax. For many learners, this is the point where the learning journey begins to change. Until now, you may have worked mostly with spreadsheet tools, structured interfaces, or ready-made software. Programming is different because now you begin giving direct instructions to the computer. So, what is programming? Programming is the process of writing instructions that tell a computer what to do. These instructions can be simple, such as storing a value, performing a calculation, or displaying a result. Or they can become more advanced, like repeating a task many times, applying logic to different conditions, reading and processing data files, or even automating decisions. At the heart of programming is logic. A computer does not guess what we mean. It only does exactly what we instruct it to do. That is why clarity matters. Now, let us understand the idea of syntax. Syntax means the rules of writing code in a programming language. Just like human languages have grammar, programming languages also follow specific rules. If the syntax is wrong, the program may not run. Python is known for being readable and beginner-friendly, but it still requires discipline. Small mistakes such as missing brackets, incorrect indentation, or simple spelling errors can produce errors, and that is completely normal. Beginners should not be afraid of making mistakes. In fact, making mistakes is a natural and important part of learning programming. Another important idea is this. Coding is not just about writing lines of code. It is about breaking a problem into smaller, clear steps. Let's take a simple example. Suppose you want to calculate the average marks of students. A programmer does not jump straight into writing code. Instead, they begin by asking questions. Where are the marks stored? How will the data be represented? What operation is needed to calculate the average? And what should be displayed at the end?